Hello students, standard 7th. As I told you in the last session also that I am not gonna start new chapter before your holidays. So few more MCQs or some other things we are going to do. So let's do some MCQ in the chapter number 6, the triangle and its properties. First one, in triangle ABC, BD is perpendicular to AC. Then line segment BD is blank. Options are median, side, altitude. Only 3 options are given here. So now when it is perpendicular drawn from the vertex to the opposite side, what do you call it? Obviously it is called an altitude. So your answer is altitude. So I am underlining the answer with the green marker. Second, angle MGK is an exterior angle of triangle MIG. If angle MGK is 105 degree, then angle MGI is equal to blank. And options are 105 degree, 15 degree and 75 degree. Now we know that MGK is the exterior angle of triangle MIG. Here MGK means this triangle, angle MGK, this angle is 105 degree, and we have to find MGI means this angle. You know that they are making linear pair. They are making linear pair, so we have to subtract 180 minus 105. We have to subtract 105 degree from 180 degree. Then what will be the answer? 75 degree. For your reference, you can draw and write down linear pair. They are making linear pair. Third one. In triangle CBD, CB is equal to BD is equal to DC. Then it is AON dash triangle. Options are scalene, equilateral or isosceles. Now you know that if all the 3 sides are equal, what is it called? Obviously equilateral triangle. So your answer is equilateral. Fourth one. In triangle EAT, Angle E equals 45 degree. And angle A is equal to 40 degree. Angle A is also 45 degree. Then exterior angle ETG is equal to blank. Options are 45, 90 and 100. Here also for your reference you can draw a figure. ETG. EAT. And that is the G. So now here you will notice that we have to use here the property. So here triangle EAT is there and G is outside. These both are 45. Angle E is 45. Then you know that exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. We know that exterior angle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angle. So this angle will be sum of this. Means 45 plus 45. What is 45 plus 45? It is 90. So your answer is 90 degree. Fifth one. A triangle has blank exterior angles. And answers are 3, 6, 9. When we learned the exterior angle property, we saw that at each vertex we can draw 2 exterior angles. So 2 plus 2 plus 2. There are totally 6 exterior angles. Number 6. In triangle ABC, angle B equals 40 degree and angle C is equal to 60 degree and angle C is equal to 60 degree. Then angle A is equal to blank. And options are 40, 60, 80. Now, in a triangle, 2 triangles are given. How you find the third angle? By angle sum property. Means sum of the 3 angles should be 180. Now here 40 plus 60 is 100. 100 it means that there will be 80 remaining. So third angle will be of the measure 80 degree. Seventh one. In triangle PQR, PQ is equal to 6 centimeter. And QR is equal to 8 centimeter. Then PR must be must be greater than dash centimeter. Greater than dash centimeter. Here the options are 14, 2 and 48. So now we know that PQ plus QR must be greater than PR. And but here we have to see that the third side we have to see, so we have to take the subtraction. So now we know that PR is greater than QR minus PQ. That is greater than 8 minus 6, that is 2. So answer is that it is must be greater than 2 centimeter. So now the eighth one. An angle of isosceles triangle measures 120 degree. Then measure of the other angle is, then the measure of the other angle is blank. Here the options are given 60, 90 and 30 degree. Now you have to use your mind. One angle is 120. But now you see that it is an obtuse angle. And a triangle cannot have two obtuse angles because it's an isosceles. So two angles will be also equal. So other angles cannot be 120. Therefore the other two angles must be equal. So we have to subtract 180 minus 120 and then divide by 2. What is 180 minus 20? 120? 60? 60 divided by 2 is how much? 30. So the answer is 30 degree here. Because it is not given that which two angles are equal. So here we have to take like that. Number 9. In triangle ACB, angle C equals 90 degree. Then dash is the hypotenuse. Options are AB, BC and CA. AB, BC, CA. Now you know that if angle C is 90 degree, then which side is opposite to it? AB. So line segment AB is the answer of this. Now I feel that this type of sum that I gave you one in the homework also. So maybe that can be difficult for you. So let us understand this one, then you can do that which is given in homework also easily. The diagonals of a rhombus measure 10 centimeter and 24 centimeter. Find its perimeter. Now you should remember that in a rhombus the diagonal bisect each other and they are perpendicular also. It means that when they cross each other, they make a right angle also. So here ABCD is a rhombus. AC and BD are diagonals. AC is equal to 10 centimeter, BD is equal to 24 centimeter. Now we know that in rhombus diagonals bisect each other. Therefore, M is the midpoint of both AC and BD. So now, therefore, AM is equal to half of AC, half of 10 is 5 centimeter. So here AM is 5 centimeter and BM will be half of BD. That is half of 24 and that is 12 centimeter. So here we get AM is 5 centimeter, BM is 12 centimeter. Now also we know that they bisect at right angle. Also diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular. Therefore, in triangle AMB, you can see that it's forming a right angle. In triangle AMB, angle M is 90 degree. So we can use the Pythagoras property to find this hypotenuse. Therefore, by Pythagoras property, which is the hypotenuse here AB. So AB square is equal to AM square plus BM square. That is 5 square plus 12 square. 5 square is 25. 12 square is 144. Total is 169. Therefore, AB is equal to 13 centimeter. Now we got one side, but we have to find a perimeter. But we know that the rhombus has all 4 sides equal. All sides of rhombus are of equal length. Therefore, perimeter of rhombus is equal to 4 into side. The 4 into 13, that is 52 centimeter. So that is the perimeter of this rhombus. So now here we are going to finish this session and it will be followed by the PDF. And any confusion, write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.